A 1768 engraving-style depiction of the Steller's sea cow, a gentle giant wiped out by hunters within 27 years of its discovery. A 1955 photo of the Caribbean monk seal taken near the Yucatan Peninsula shortly before the last sightings ended. A 1927 image of the eelgrass limpet taken before its host plant's decline led to its extinction along North Atlantic shores. A 1910 photo of the New Zealand grayling, a freshwater to marine migrating fish, lost due to deforestation and introduced trout. A 1936 photo of the Japanese sea lion, once common around Hokkaido, hunted to extinction during World War II.